career paths you can take on with a degree in microbiology in Nigeria. This is divided into subcategories, and the first subcategory are the core and conventional microbiology career paths. These include clinical laboratory science. This involves testing blood, urine, swabs, and other samples to help diagnose infections and diseases in hospitals and diagnostic labs. To enter this field in Nigeria, you usually need additional professional training, clinical experience, and registration with the Medical Laboratory Science Council of Nigeria. Next on, we have industrial microbiologists. Industrial microbiologists work in food, beverage, pharmaceutical, and brewery companies to ensure products are safe and free from harmful microorganisms. You can start by applying for quality control or production roles in manufacturing companies and building experience in laboratory standards and good manufacturing practices. Next on, we have environmental microbiologists. This role focuses on microorganisms in water, soil, and waste, especially in pollution control and environmental safety. You can work with environmental agencies, consulting firms, or oil and gas companies by gaining field experience and learning environmental testing methods. Another one is academic lecturer or research scientists. Academic microbiologists teach students and conduct research in universities or research institutes. This part typically requires postgrad degrees such as a master's or a doctorate and consistent involvement in research and publications. The second category is the health, safety, and regulatory careers. And here we have the quality control or quality assurance officer. These professionals test products to make sure they meet safety, hygiene, and quality standards before reaching consumers. You can enter this field by starting in laboratories within food, pharmaceutical, or cosmetic companies and learning quality systems and product testing procedures. Another one in this category is public health officer. Public health officers focus on preventing disease outbreaks, tracking infections, and educating communities on health safety. To get into this area, many microbiology graduates pursue additional training in public health and work with government agencies or health-focused organizations. And the last one here in this category is a regulatory affairs specialist. This role involves ensuring that drugs, food, and medical products meet national safety regulations before they are approved for sale. You can begin by learning regulatory documentation and working with companies that register products with government regulatory agencies in Nigeria. The third category is the tech and new age science careers. Here we have the bioinformatics analysts. Bioinformatics combine biology with computer skills to analyze genetic and microbial data. Microbiology graduates can transition into this field by learning basic programming, data analysis, and computational biology through online courses and practice. Another one here is health technology or biotechnology product roles. These roles involve working with health or biotechnology startups to develop, manage, or improve science-based products. Getting started requires learning basic tech or business skills and joining startups or innovation hubs where science knowledge adds value. And the last one here is scientific software tester or validator. This career focuses on testing laboratory software, diagnostic tools, or health applications to ensure they work accurately. You can enter this field by learning software testing fundamentals while positioning yourself as someone who understands both science and technology. The fourth category here is entrepreneurship and business opportunities. This includes diagnostic or laboratory services business. This involves owning or managing testing services such as sample collection, water analysis, or environmental testing. Most people start by partnering with licensed professionals, registering their services, and gradually expanding operations. You are a sole business owner. The next one in this category is food processing and fermentation entrepreneur. Microbiology graduates can start businesses producing yogurt, probiotics, local beverages, or packaged foods using fermentation knowledge. The next one on this is water treatment and sanitation services. This business focuses on water testing, purification, and hygiene solutions for homes, schools, and organizations. You can start small by learning basic water analysis techniques and offering services within your local community. The next one here is biotechnology startup founder. This involves creating products such as biofertilizers, enzymes, or waste-breaking microbial solutions. The fifth category is media, education, and content creation. You can become a science content creator. Science content creators explain microbiology, health, and hygiene topics to the public through videos, blogs, or social media. You can start by simplifying complex science concepts for everyday people and gradually monetize through ads, partnerships, or digital products. Up next in this category, we have science writer or communicator. This role involves writing articles, reports, or educational materials related to science and health. And the last one in this category is online tutor or science educator. Online educators teach biology or microbiology to secondary school students, undergraduates, or exam candidates. Getting started often involves offering private lessons, online classes, or creating structured courses on social media. The sixth category is the corporate sales and development roles, and this include technical sales representative. These professionals sell laboratory equipment, pharmaceuticals, or scientific products while explaining their technical value to clients. Microbiology graduates can enter this field by combining basic sales skills with their scientific background. The next one in this category is monitoring, evaluation, and research officer. These roles support health and development projects by collecting data and assessing program effectiveness. You can transition into this career by gaining reporting and data analysis skills and working with non-governmental organizations. The last one in this category is policy, global health, or development professional. These professionals influence health policies and programs at national or international levels. Many people enter this space through further training in health policy, development studies, or international health programs. In conclusion, a degree in microbiology in Nigeria does not restrict you to laboratory practice alone. It gives you a scientific foundation that can be expanded into health, technology, business, education, and media.